includes
Nesse vídeo, você vai aprender.
Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to start a new session. It's about that regular expression. So first of all, what is regular expression? If you go to the Google and if you search with the regular expression, here they have some of the resources as a regular expression. Like as a regular expressions are patterns used to match character combining in a string. In JavaScript, regular expressions are also object. Like in short, if you think about one of the logging form, into the logging form, how many fields they have? They have the two field, right? One is the email field, another is the password field. So now if you want to add some of the validations, like if you want to add some of the validation for the password, that should be combined as a 8 character, or if you want to add some of the validation for the uppercase, the lowercase. Okay, so if you want to add this type of all that validation, you can do that work with using the if else condition, right? Then you have to write down lot of multiple if else condition, but you can do that work very easily in one line with using that regular expression. In short, just simply understand that part. So with this, we can actually manage all that validation, and also we can do lot of work with using that regular expression in very easy way. So in this session, I want to discuss about little bit the regular expression, how that all functionality work, how can working with this. I hope everything will be very much clear to you. And here you will get lot of the resources in here. There is a developer mozilla.org. You can see there is regular expressions, how that functionality exactly work. And there are so many references also in here. So I will recommend it to you to check out this all that documentation. It will help you. Okay. In our next video, I will discuss about some of the regular expression function. Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that regular expressions, right? Now in this video, I want to discuss about how that regular expression actually work. In regular expression, they have some of the method as a text method, exec method, match all, replace all. Okay. So, and also you can see there is a creating a regular expression. Then first of all, here you have to declare one of the variable, and then that is our forward slash, right? Into the forward slash, here we have to pass some of the pattern. Okay, whatever the things you will be passing here, just name it as a pattern. So with this, we can actually search some of the string value, like is string value is exist or not. Okay, if you want to check it, how much easily you can do that work in this video, I will show you. Like better, I copy it and now go to our code editor. And now I want to remove everything. Okay, and here I put some of the note that is for the regular expression. So into the regular expression, as I told you, first of all, I take one of the variable as a constant variable. Okay, I take one of the constant variable and I just name it as a regular. Okay, regular expression. Okay, regular expression. So I take one of the variable, and then as I told you with the forward slash, here we have to add the double forward slash. Okay, into the forward slash area, here I name it one of the name as a Aryan. Okay, so suppose I name it one of the Aryan. Great. So now I want to do that is one of the string type of value, right? Here I want to check it, is that Aryan is in our pattern area or not. So if you want to check it very easily, you can do that work. Then into the console. Okay, into the console log, I want to check it. That is the, I have already named it. I name it as a regular expression. So that will be as a regular expression, right? I take one of the variable name as a regular expression. And into this regular expression, I want to call one of the method as a test method. Okay, as I told you, they have so many method in here. Later we'll discuss more about it. Like just simply understand how that regular expression work and how much easily you can deal with it. Like that is the test. Okay, that is a test method. I want to call this test method. So with this test method, I want to check. Okay, I want to check one of the string value. Like here, I name it as a hi, I am Aryan. Okay, I just simply name it as a hi, I am Aryan. So in our string value here, first of all, it will be checked, is there anything in our pattern area or not? Okay, that means right now Aryan is in our pattern area. That means right now it should be return one of the true value. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go, that means here right now I want to check it, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now display as a true. Okay, now it's display as a true, and if you go there, so now you can see it's not display as a true because of all in our pattern area here with the test methods, it's automatically check it. Okay, in our pattern area it's exist or not. Right now I want to change it. Here I want to remove this a. Okay, right now I remove this a. If you now click as a save all, so right now that is not exist in here. Now that should be displayed as a false. Click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now display as a false. Okay, because of all here it will be check it in our pattern area that is exist or not. And also here one things, like if you make it as a hello, okay, I make it as a capital letter as a. Now if you click as a save all, now if you go, now click as a refresh, now you can see it's also display as a false because that is the uppercase, and in our pattern area that is the lowercase. So if you want to minimize it, like I don't want to make any case sensitive, so if you want to make it as a case sensitive, then you can add one of the modifier. Okay, here that is one of the modifier as I. So that is our pattern in our forward slash, and that is our pattern name. So that is our pattern, and after that pattern here, that is one of the modifier. Okay, here I am actually using that I modifier. So when you use that I modifier, then that will be not any case sensitive. Okay, then automatically that should be the okay. That means it should be check our pattern as the REN is okay or not. So if this REN is matched, then it will be display as a true. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now display again as a true. Now that is totally case sensitive. Okay, so here that is one of the modifier. Just simply understand it, that is one of the pattern, that is the modifier, and that is the string value. So with this test method you can check our this string value is exist in our pattern or not. Okay friend, I hope you get some of the idea how regular expression work. Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss about some of the regular expression, property, and then method. Like here, I want to do, that is, I have already discussed about that things with you, that is a REN, and then that is our modifier as a I, right? Then that is our case sensitive. And now I want to do, I want to call another, first of all, one of the property. Like here right now I want to close it. Okay, I close it, and I want to take one of the console log into the console log area. And here if you simply run our this variable as a regular expression, then what exactly that will be print. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh, now you can see it's on display like that way. So now I want to print our this pattern. Okay, if you want to print this pattern, then they have the another property as a source property. I want to now call it, that is a console, and then the console log, and then our regular expression, and with the regular expression that is one of the property as a source. You can see that is one of the source property. So when you call this source property, it will be get our this pattern name. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh, now you can see it's successfully get our this pattern name. Okay, and now if you want to also match this pattern is in our string area or not, you can also do that work with using another method as the exact method, that is a console, and then the console log, and then here if you run with the our regular expression, and then I want to call one of the method as exact method. Okay, exec, so that is our exact method. So into this exact method I just simply name it as a hi hello REN. Okay, I make it as a hi hello REN. So now if you click as a save all, click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now display that things like that way. First of all, it's display our name, that means which things is matched, that means which string value is matched with our pattern. It's first of all it will be display that things in here, and after that that will be counting our index, that means our string index. So that is started from our 9 index. Okay, so that is our 9 index. So for the reasons is display our 9 index. Okay, and then the input our input file as name it as a hi hello REN. You can see it's display our total string value. Now that is display our total string value, and also is display as a group undefined. Okay, group undefined means that is a little bit complicated. I will also discuss about that things with you, why it is display as a group undefined. Just simply understand, just that is first of all when it should be match which string value is matched with our pattern, then first of all it will be display this pattern, it should be display our indexing, that means where exactly our match string value is started, that is our indexing, and then our input total message, right? So that is our total input message. Great. And if you now make it as a change, like right now that is not exist, okay, that is not match with our pattern, then that should be displayed as a null. Okay, if you now click as a save all, click as a refresh, now you see it's now displayed as a null. Okay friend, now I want to discuss about some of the string method. Okay, so better I show you, right? I make it as a comment out, and after that I want to declare one of the string value. I just take one of the constant variable and I just name it as a str. Okay, and then I take one of the string value. I take one of the string value as a hi my name. Okay, my name is Aryan. Okay, I simply name it as a my name is Aryan. Great. So after that, now I want to declare, before I declare that exact method. So now that is in our string, they have also another method as a match method. So now if you make it as a console log, there is a console, and into this console log, that will be our our variable name as a string, right? And into this string, I want to declare one of the string, one of the method as a match method. So there is a match method. So into this match method area here, if you pass that your regular expression, okay, that means here I have already take our regular expression, that is our pattern. So now if you pass it, then what exactly the data it should be do? Like click as a save all, it should be display the same result what exactly I have done into the exact. If you now go click as a refresh, now you can see there is a same as the Aryan is the match. So that is our match with our pattern, which is totally fine. And then that is our index. Index is still we started from to the 14. That means that is our match in here. So now in our string that is started from to the 14. Okay, that is a 14 index. And then that is our total message. So it's just like our exact, right? Exact method and match method is very much close. And also there is another method I want to do and to also show you. There is a console and then the console log, and into this console log area there is our string value, sorry, str, and is into the str here there is another method as a search method. Okay, there is a search method. So with this search method it should be search, our regular expression. So into the regular expression, if there have any match, that means if this match in with our pattern, then that will be return our index value. Okay, that means from where exactly our match is started, it should be display our index value. Click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now display as a 14. So before also it's display as a 14, but right now when you use that as a search method, only it should be display the index. Okay, that means when our match occurs is happening, so that is our string area in the string, and it's a match with our 14 index. So for the reasons it is display as a 14 index. Okay, it's now display as a 14 index. Great. And now I want to discuss about another one as a replace. Replace means I want to do in our string area which things will be matched with our pattern, then that will be replace. Okay, then that will be replaced. And if you want to replace with the Aryan to the another name, you can actually do that work. And then you have to do that will be as a console, and then the console log, and into this console log area here that is a str, and then I want to declare another method. I want to declare another method as a string method that will be as a replace. Okay, that is a replace method. So I simply loaded this replace method, and into this replace method what exactly I want to do, I want to change it in our replace, that means our regular expression. Here I want to do and to replace Aryan to the Kazi. Okay, so I want to do and to change it, that will be as a Aryan to the Kazi. So I want to add another one as a Kazi. Okay, that will be replaced with this. Now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, okay, click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now display as a hi my name is Kazi. Okay, so now that is actually replaced as a hi my name is, and it's now replaced with the Kazi. So now it's display as a Kazi. Okay friend, and now they have the one issue, like if they have the multiple the same name, like here I simply paste it as Aryan, and then Aryan. So now only that will be changed our first one. If you now click as a save all, if you click as a save all and now go there, click as a refresh, now you can see it's now displays hi my name is Azi, and then Aryan, and then Aryan. So if you want to make it as a global, okay, if you want to make it as a global, then they have also another modifier you have to add it after that pattern, another modifier as a G. Okay, that means that is for the global. Globally I want to change it. So right now all that our string value, what exactly I have replaced, everything will be changed. Okay, now that should be as a Kazi, and then Kazi. So now if you click as a save all and now go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now successfully updated. Hi my name is Kazi, and then Kazi. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. Just simply understand how that regular expression work, what exactly that method, okay, all that method will be needed. So what exactly that match method, what exactly the search method, and then replace method. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you.